Welcome dear friends. Today we will discuss about the molecular orbital picture of pyridine. Dear students, you know that what is by pyridine. Pyridine is nothing but the 6-member heterocyclic compound which contain nitrogen as a heteroatom, having a molecular formula C5H5N. And now is a structural formula of pyridine. Now in this lecture, today we will discuss about the molecular orbital picture or molecular orbital diagram of pyridine, similar to that of the 5-member heterocyclic compound pyrrole. Now here pyridine acts as a 6-member heterocyclic compound. So first explain the molecular orbital structure or picture of pyridine. This question carries 4 marks. In case of molecular orbital picture of pyridine, first discuss about the molecular structures. So what is the molecular formula of pyridine? C5H5N is the molecular formula of pyridine. And now all 5 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen atoms in pyridine acts as the ring atoms, and the 5 hydrogen atoms link with 5 carbon atoms sigma bond. Now all the ring atoms, that means 5 carbon atom and 1 nitrogen atom, is in sp2 hybridization state, and the hybrid orbitals of each carbon atoms join with the hybrid orbitals, that means sp2 hybrid orbitals of the another adjacent carbon atoms, as well as join with sp2 hybrid orbitals of the nitrogen atom, which is acts as a ring atom, and to form a sigma bond by the overlapping of sp2 overlap. Here each carbon atoms, that means all 5 carbon atoms, attached to the hydrogens with sigma bond, which is formed by overlapping of sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon and s orbital of hydrogen atoms. Now in pyridine, total 11 sigma bonds are present. Now out of this total 11 bond, 4 sigma bond in between carbon-carbon, 2 sigma bond in between carbon and nitrogen, and 5 sigma bond in between carbon and hydrogens. And the sigma bonds, all the sigma bonds lie in one plane, having with one angle 120 degree to each other. This is the information about the structures of pyridine, and all the ring atom carbon and nitrogen are in sp2 hybridization, to form all these hybrid orbitals form a sigma skeleton with hybrid and hybrid with the atomic s orbital of hydrogen atoms. So next discuss about the hybridization of nitrogen, which take place in a pyridine. Now again you know that nitrogen acts as a heteroatom, which is present in a pyridine, acts as a ring atom, and nitrogen carries lone pair of electron. Nitrogen carries lone pair of electrons. Now, nitrogen atoms having their last orbit containing 5 electrons. Now here this is the nitrogen, last orbit 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Now nitrogen undergoes hybridization. So mix up the energy of 1s, that means 1 2s orbital, and 2 TW2 2px and 2py atomic orbitals of nitrogen atoms, while 1 2pz atomic orbital remain unhybridized, which is not involved in hybridization. So hybridization involves 1s and 2p, that's why nitrogen undergoes sp2 hybridizations and 1 2pz atomic orbital remain unhybridized. So in this hybridization to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, but in that 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, one hybrid contain, out of the 3, one hybrid orbital, sp2 hybrid orbital contain pair of electrons, while another 2 sp2 hybrid orbitals containing unpaired electrons. This is simple hybridization of nitrogen atoms. So in sigma structure particular, or in case of formation of sigma bond, the nitrogen atom, hybrid orbital of nitrogen atoms having unpaired electron overlap with the hybrid orbital of the adjacent carbon atoms here, and to form sigma bond. That means lone pair of electron containing hybrid orbital remain. Hybrid orbital does not take part in a bonding here outside the ring, which acts as a outside the ring. Now next part, sigma structure, sigma orbital pictures or sigma orbital structures of pyridine. As we before discussed how form the sigma bond in between carbon and hydrogen. Now atomic orbitals of the hydrogen, that means S, and hybrid orbital sp2 of carbon atoms overlap here like this, and to form the 5 sigma bond in between hydrogen and carbon. Similarly, carbon atoms overlap with another carbon atoms here. This carbon atom overlap with another carbon atom, sp2 hybrid orbital of this carbon atom overlap with the sp2 hybrid orbital of this carbon atoms, and again here to form a sigma bond. That means in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, there is a 4 sigma bond in between carbon due to the sp2 overlap. And nitrogen atom, sp2 hybrid of that nitrogen atoms overlap with the adjacent carbon atoms, that means this, and again here to form 2 sigma bonds. In this way here form 11 sigma bond. But now here sp2 hybrid orbitals of the nitrogen atom containing lone pair of electrons. Now this is simple structure of sigma orbital picture of pyridine, which occur developed due to sp2 hybridization of nitrogen and carbon atom, which acts as a ring atom. Now as each carbon atom undergoes sp2 hybridization, that means 1 2 sp2 atomic orbitals remain unhybridized. Now this is the, here in last picture, this is the unhybridized atomic orbitals. Similarly in case of nitrogen, now this is the unhybridized 2pz atomic orbitals. Now here this is the atomic orbitals, p orbitals of nitrogen atoms, and now this is a sp2 hybrid orbital having lone pair of electrons. Now next part, pi orbital picture of or structure of pyridine. In pi orbital, each ring atom, that means carbon as well as nitrogen atom, possesses one unhybridized p orbitals and which contain one electrons. So all these are hybrid orbitals. So all these unhybridized p orbitals perpendicular to the sigma plane. That means these are the present in such a way that which is perpendicular as a sigma plane or sigma bond. Now all these p atomic orbitals, that means unhybridized atomic orbitals of carbon and nitrogen, overlap and to form a pi bond, which is produce a delocalized pi molecular orbitals. And now that pi molecular or delocalized pi molecular orbitals containing 6 electrons, 5 from each carbon and 1 from nitrogen. And now the 6 electrons are known as delocalized pi molecular orbital contains 6 electrons, and which is known as aromatic sextet. Now the one half of this delocalized plane or delocalized orbitals lie above the plane, and other half below the sigma plane or sigma bonds. This is a structure like a sandwich like structure. Now pyridine, due to the presence of sextet, pyridine obey the Huckel's rules, that means 4n plus 2 pi electron rules, as take 1 n equal to 1, that means it gives 6 pi electron. And now in pyridine, delocalizations molecular orbital contain 6 pi electrons, and which is known as aromatic sextet. Now these are structures of unhybridized p orbitals. These are unhybridized p orbitals having 1 unpaired electrons, and now these overlap laterally, that means this unhybridized p orbital of carbon atom overlap the unhybridized p orbital of these carbon atoms, the nitrogen atom, like this. And now here delocalization take place above the sigma bond and now below the sigma bond, above the sigma bond and below the sigma bond. So molecular orbital structure of pyridine. A common shorthand representations of pyridine in a simple hexagonal 6-member ring with a circle inside, and now the circle represent pi molecular orbitals. Delocalization of these 6 electron which is present in a pz orbitals of carbon as well as nitrogen atoms, and this is a common representation of the pyridine. Now this is known about the sigma orbital picture and pi orbital picture, that means molecular orbital structure or molecular orbital picture of pyridine. Now the next part, resonance in pyridine. In resonance in pyridine, due to the delocalization of electron pair and lone pair which is present outside the lone pair present on nitrogen outside the delocalization of or outside the ring, this pyridine form 4 resonance structures like this. Now this is the first structure in normal form, as these nitrogens accept the electron from the carbon atom, acquires negative charge, while this adjacent carbon acquire positive charge. Similarly in case of fourth structure also. And now here delocalizations take place, that means this carbon atom rotate the pair to this carbon and here form a double bond like this in a structure third. That means structure third, from the fourth and structure second. In this way it gives the four hybrid structures or resonance structures of in a pyridine, which is known as resonance in a pyridine. Now what is the basicity of pyridine? In case of basicity of pyridine, pyridine acts as or behave as a base, though its value of pKb is 8.64. For example, question on this topic as explain the basicity of pyridine. So first, pyridine behave as a base, its pKb value is 8.64. Now its basicity is because of presence of lone pair of electron on nitrogen atoms. Because according to Lewis theory, lone pair electron, presence of lone pair electrons, that means it is available for the donation of these lone pair electrons, and lone pair electron donor is known as a base. So here basicity of the pyridine is due to the presence of lone pair of electron on nitrogen atoms, which is the lone pair electron in a sp2 hybrid orbital of that nitrogen. Now which is not involved in the formation of delocalization. Why? Because which is present in sp2 hybrid orbitals, and now in delocalization pi molecular orbitals. So the sp2, due to the sp2 hybrid orbitals containing lone pair, this lone pair not involved in the formation of delocalization of pi molecular orbitals. These electrons, that's why as these electrons are not involved in delocalization, that means they are readily available for the formation of new bond with the electron deficient species or electrophile. Hence, pyridine donate this electron, release the electron to the nucleophile and to form a new chemical bond in between nitrogen and that electrophiles. But again, dear friends, you know that in case of pyrrole, such pair of electrons which is present on nitrogen involved in a delocalization of pi molecular orbitals. So in pyrrole, this pair not available for the donation or formation of a new chemical bond with the electrophiles. But in case of pyridine, which is available due to the outside the ring, is available for a donation for the deficient center or electrophiles. According to Lewis again, lone pair electron donor known as a base. So here, as compared to the pyridine and pyrrole, in pyridine lone pair is available for the donation, while in pyrrole lone pair is not available for the donation because which is involved in a pi molecular orbital. That's why pyridine is more basic than that of the pyrrole. Okay. Now in this lecture we discuss first molecular orbital features of pyridine. In that case, general molecular formula, the ring atoms, their hybridization of that atoms, how many sigma bonds which is present. Out of these sigma bonds, few is present, that means 4 is present in between carbon carbon, 2 sigma bond is present in carbon nitrogen, and 5 sigma bond is present in carbon and hydrogen, like this. And all these sigma bond lie in one planes with a bond angle 120 with one another. No doubt, due to the sp2 hybridization, bond angle having 120 degree with one another. And now in next case, hybridization of nitrogen in a pyridine. So in hybridization of nitrogen undergoes hybridization which involve 2s and 2p atomic orbitals. That means it undergoes the sp2 hybridization, while one unpaired electron containing 2p atomic orbital remain unhybridized. In this way, nitrogen undergoes sp2 hybridizations. But out of these 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, new hybrid orbitals after hybridization which is obtained, one sp2 hybrid orbital contain pair of electrons, and which is known as a lone pair, while another 2 sp2 hybrid orbitals of nitrogen contain one pair of electrons. Next case, how form the sigma orbital pictures in pyridine. That means sigma bond in between carbon nitrogen, carbon carbon and carbon hydrogens, like this. Then pi orbital picture of pyridine. In pi orbital picture of pyridine, how form the pi orbital? The pi orbital form due to the overlapping of unhybridized p orbitals of ring atoms. That means nitrogen and 5 carbon atoms. Due to the lateral overlappings, the delocalization of pi molecular orbitals containing 5 electron from nitrogen, 1 electron, 5 electron from carbon, and 1 electron from nitrogen. In this way it gives, that means molecular orbital contain 6 electron, and that 6 electron is known as the aromatic sextate. Now the one half of these molecular orbitals lie above and another half lie below the plane of sigma orbitals or sigma bonds. Now as the pyridine contain 6 delocalized pi electron molecular orbital which is present in molecular orbitals, these are known as a aromatic sextate. It obeys the Huckel's rules, that means 4n plus 2 rules, 4n plus 2 pi electron rules, as n equal to 1, and we take n equal to 1 to obey the 6 electron in its aromatic sextate. Now this is the unhybridized atomic orbitals. Now here how form the pi molecular orbital above the sigma plane, sigma bonds, and below the sigma bonds. And now this general shorthand representations of the pyridines. Now ring represent a delocalization of the 6 pi electrons, while pair of electron which is present in a sigma orbital, this is a sp2 hybrid orbitals of nitrogens outside the plane, which is not involved in a ring. Now this is the known about this is the resonance in pyridine. Pyridine form 4 resonance structures. Now next point, basicity of pyridines. Pyridines acts as a base. Sometimes question arises why pyridine is more basic than that of the pyrrole. Both are the heterocyclic compound. So why pyrrole is more basic than, why pyridine is more basic than pyrrole? But you know that those lone pair of electrons which is present on nitrogen in pyridine is outside the ring, not involved in the delocalization. But in pyrrole, the lone pair which is involved in a pi molecular orbital, that means in delocalizations. So in case of pyrrole, which is easily, in case of pyridine, which is easily available for donation, while in a pyrrole which is not available. So according to Levy's base theory, lone pair electron donor is known as a base, or here pyridine donate the lone pair of electrons, that's why known as a base, or which is a strong base as compared to the pyrrole, because in pyrrole lone pair is not available for the donation. Okay, so thank you dear friends.